Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create QR codes right here in Canva. It's super easy, so let's dive in. First, open your Canva project. In the left sidebar, click on Apps and search for QR code. You'll find a lot of options, but for this tutorial, let's use the most basic one. Select the first one named QR code. Now, add your link. Then click on Customize to view the customization options. I want the QR background to blend with the page background, which is white, so I'm not going to change it. The foreground, this is your QR code color. Change it to match your design. And the margin, you can adjust it to your liking. Once you're happy with it, click on Generate Code. You'll see your QR code on the canvas. That's how easy it is to make QR codes in Canva. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.